Hi, this is injury attorney Anh Phoong, and this is what you need to know. Today, we're going to talk about big, serious injuries and whether or not they automatically mean big payout. Well, unfortunately, it does not automatically mean that. You can have someone with serious injuries, needing surgeries, broken legs, broken neck, whatnot. And sometimes they're limited in recovery because the person, the defendant that hit them, has minimal insurance. In California right now, the minimum is $15,000. So let's say that someone got in a car accident and the car that hit you, the driver's insurance was only $15,000 and you have broken your leg. Well, that claim should be $100,000, $200,000, but we can't get $100,000, $2,000 from the person who hit you if they only have $15,000 in insurance. And I think that's a hard thing for people to understand because they think, okay, well, I was in this accident, I wasn't at fault, my car's messed up, I broke my leg, I deserve a lot of money, and you do, absolutely. But all we can do as an injury attorney is get you the maximum of what's available. And so what that depends on is the driver. Now, if the driver was working for, a delivery or an employer, Uber or something like that, then maybe, yes, there's more resources available. But in the general term, if it was just a driver with no assets, minimal coverage, nothing else, then, if it's a $15,000 policy, unfortunately, that's all we can recover. And then the next question people will always ask us is, well, why can't we sue the defendant personally? Well, you can. You can always sue a defendant. You can sue him for $2 million if you wanted to. The question really is, are you going to be able to recover $2 million? From someone who only has a $15,000 policy, the likelihood of them having any other assets is very low. So in terms of what you can actually recover, it's very difficult. Like, you can have this serious injury and deserve a big recovery, but may not ever get it. And unfortunately, that's what you need to know. Sometimes the expectations are we cannot meet them just because we can't. If we can, then we definitely will.